If Steam is giving you error 67, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple fix step by step. This is a quick troubleshooting method that can help clear out stuck Steam processes, refresh the app, and get you back into Steam without wasting time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look at the top left corner and click Steam. From the menu that appears, click Settings. Inside the Settings window, go to the Interface section. Here, look for the option that says Run Steam when my computer starts. If this option is checked, uncheck it. This step is important because Steam sometimes runs in the background and causes startup or connection problems. After that, click Steam again in the top left corner and choose Exit. This fully closes Steam the normal way. But we're not done yet, because sometimes Steam leaves background processes running even after you close the window. To make sure everything is fully stopped, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simplified view, click More Details so you can see the full list of running processes. Now look through the list for anything related to Steam. You may see Steam Client Bootstrapper, Steam Client webhelper, or other Steam processes, and all Steam processes one by one. This helps clear out anything that may be frozen, stuck, or causing error 67 to appear again when Steam launches. Once all Steam-related processes are closed, you can close Task Manager. Next, restart your PC. This is a very important step because restarting clears temporary system issues and makes sure Steam starts fresh when you open it again. After your computer turns back on, open Steam again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, this simple restart and cleanup process is enough to fix the problem. If Steam still isn't opening properly, go back and double check that no Steam process is still running in the background. Sometimes one hidden process can cause the error to return. You can repeat the Task Manager step if needed and make sure everything Steam related is fully ended before reopening the app. Also, if you haven't already, make sure your internet connection is stable because Steam errors can sometimes show up when the client is having trouble connecting online. A quick network refresh can sometimes help alongside this method, but in most cases, the main fix is simply disabling Steam Startup, fully closing the app, ending all background processes, restarting the PC, and then launching Steam again. So to recap, the fix is open Steam, go to Settings, open Interface, uncheck Run Steam when my computer starts, exit Steam, open Task Manager, end all Steam processes, restart your PC, and then open Steam again. That's the complete method for fixing Steam error 67 with a clean restart. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Steam troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.